Hello, I'm Faezaria. I'm a singer, songwriter, and musician, and today we are filming at this amazing location for Adorama.
Don't wanna know what you've been doing. Don't wanna know you've been doing it. We don't wanna know what I've been missing.
So today I brought my first guitar I've ever gotten. My dad got it for me when I was 12. It's so special to me because it's really the first instrument that I've ever picked up before. It's been with me through so much of my music career, and it's such a good sound. It's such a nice, sturdy, good guitar. And I also brought the new Billie Eilish Fender ukulele with me, which I'm so excited to be playing for you guys today.
Every time I think it hurts, I think about you while you think of her.
So I've been through a lot of heartbreak. I've been through a lot of hard times. As somebody that struggles with anxiety and depression, panic disorder, and OCD, I know what it's like to struggle. And so what I try to put out with my music is something that people can relate to who have been through similar experiences, and where words don't speak, music does. And just bringing everybody together in an environment where we feel safe and we feel like we're accepted and belong and that things will get better is just what's important to me.
Then in the evenings you just...
So I've never been to this location before, but honestly I was blown away by how gorgeous and preserved it is. Like, the stone is perfect, and just the atmosphere of it kind of being in the middle of nowhere but being so full of history is really, it's been amazing to spend time at this place. I feel like I'm really connecting with nature, and I feel like I'm a part of, honestly, even the history of this place.
Been forever since I seen your face. One thing that I wish I could erase. The only thing that ever kept me sane. I pretend that I don't dream about it.
My name is Julian Evans. I'm back with you again. I'm from Audioworks in Chelsea, New York City. I'm here today recording Faezaria. I'll also be mixing her tracks at the end of this whole thing. We're here on site today at the Cornish Estate Ruins in upstate New York. There are plenty of challenges with shooting a location on an exterior like this. It is basically that the world has a lot of chaotic challenges to throw at you, and all you've got is what you brought. So there's going to be trains, there's going to be bikes, there's going to be planes, there's going to be crickets, there's going to be birds, there might even be the bear from The Revenant. So with me today, I've got a Zoom H6 portable recorder. I've got my trusted Audio-Technica M50 headphones. I've got a couple of DPA microphones. I've got a 4061 and a 4099. The 4061 we'll be putting on the Talon for voice, and the 4099 we'll be playing on the guitar and ukulele.
I'm taking back what I said when I said we were perfect.
The boom mic I've got with me is a Rode NTG3, a very high quality boom microphone. We will be primarily leaning on our lavalier microphone elements for recording the talent. The boom is really there as a backup. When we're on an exterior location like this, our biggest challenge is getting proximity to the talent, to the source of sound. And the boom microphone is just going to be in the shot. It's going to be a classic film problem. So getting lavalier nice and in there is going to be our best bet.
Knowing I'll never be enough for you is so terrifying. Terrifying, tell me why.
So on the talent, we've got a DPA 4061 discrete lavalier microphone. This is a classic element that we use all the time. Broadway uses it, off-Broadway uses it in musical theater. It's an omnidirectional lavalier microphone. The downside is, because it has an omnidirectional pickup pattern, we're also getting the rest of our environment. So proximity to the voice is going to be a big factor here. On the guitar and the ukulele, we have a DPA 4099 microphone. Now, this is a supercardioid instrument microphone. Its sole purpose is to capture the instrument that it's aiming at. It's got very good off-axis rejection, as you'd expect from a supercardioid. This is basically a very high, powerful shotgun microphone on a mini gooseneck that's attachable to an instrument source. That's going to allow us to get good proximity, really good rejection of ambient noise on this instrument. Now, unlike the 4061, which is omnidirectional. This is super cardioid. We are going to experience that low end buildup from our proximity effect, but it's not really going to bother us that much because honestly, on a source like an acoustic guitar or a ukulele, in my opinion, I'm only benefiting from that additional low end.
I wish you thought about me like you think about her.
So once we get into post-production, the beginning of the day was a little noisier than the afternoon period. This is pretty typical of an exterior location, and that's just sort of how the they call it the envelope of a forest is going to react. What that means in post-production, while we will be embracing the natural ambient sounds of the environment, we will also have to probably be intercutting a little bit here and there in order to circumvent some sound issues that are going to be overlapping on top of the performance. We basically just want to be making sure that we're making creative decisions that are enhancing the performance and the location and the story and not distracting or detracting in any way. Now, in terms of noise reduction, I'll definitely be using Isotope RX8, their post-production package. I'll also be using Cedar's DNS1. That's a dialogue noise suppressor used for broadband noise. For reverb, I'll probably go to AudioEase's Altiverb XL, which is a very high-quality professional convolution reverb.
And without those gray skies, there'd be no sunshine.
I'm a full-time Twitch streamer, so you can find me. My username is Faezaria, Faezaria, and that is also my name on every social media website. You can follow my journey if you'd like. I would love to have you there.